Hello everyone, I'm Zafran from CSE department. I'm going to explain the experiment simulation of push button on LED interface with ARM controller and Proteus. Let's start with let's start it from STM32. Here we can giving the new we can create a new project with experiment 3. I have created it as experiment 3. From we have to generate an IOC file. In that we have to provide the STM32 F401 RBTX. From that I have given PA5 as input and PA7 as output. In PA5 I have given as pull up button, and then we have to give the save button. Then we will have a code which will be provides only the include, and here from that we can get this that we have given in IOC file. In IOC file, we have given as PA5 as input and PA7 as output, PA5 as pull up button. In the code, it will show it as in the code we have given us it shows G pin which is 5, which is given as input and pull up, and for output we have given as 7. It will show here and no pull up. Then we have to write a code here. Here I have given as pull up button status which is pin 5, which provides an input, and it will write it in pin 5. Then I have to save this. After saving, we have to debug it by providing this. It will be debugged and it has shown as build finished and zero error, zero warning. Then we have to generate an X file. For X file we have to click project properties. From properties we have to give, sorry, from properties, we have to provide C slash plus plus build, then have to give settings. From settings, we have to give MCU post build outputs. Then we have to enable this hex file button. Then I have to give apply and close. It will be generated over here, where here it has X file has been generated. Then we have to do it in Proteus software. In Proteus software, I have already did it. We have to give that STM32 F401RB. In that I have given as button and LED aqua, and here it has ground. These things will be provided from here, which is terminal, devices and port. From here we can get it, and I have to give the button should be given as PA5, which will provide the input, and the output will be given from PA7. From for that I have connected it to LED, and then both were connected into ground. And then we have to give that program so that it will provide the output. So we have to click this STM, give edit properties, and then from files we have to give the hex file which was already generated from the STM32. Then we have to give open, okay, and then we have to run this. After running, it will shows when clicking this button it will provide the output. This is what the experiment is. So the program is given here, and the output is this is how the experiment going to be work out. Thank you.